Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display the widget flag horizontally in Polylang WordPress plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Polylang language switcher. Now you see our flag show vertically. So we are going to change it to horizontally using CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now we are going to paste CSS and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see class, lang item and then you see display inline. If you want you can add padding according to your requirement. So I added padding 5px. So if you want you can add 10px, 15px according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see flag direction change to horizontally by using CSS. So just add this CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.